Hi, guys. I am not here today. Mrs. Weedle is your substitute. Please be good and make sure that you get all your assignments done. Mrs. Weedle will be calling your name out to check out a kit. All I have done is put a number. I've gone in alphabetical order, and you're assigned to that number in alphabetical order. Make sure all parts are put back into the kit. I will check to see if your kit is put back in order. If I find any parts or anything missing, I will bill you and your parents on those parts and pieces. So make sure that you take care of the equipment. First thing that you're going to do today is you're going to go into Google Classroom and, of course, watch this video first. But you're going to click on part 1 assignment. You're going to open it up, and it's going to look something like this. This should be a review because you've already tested some of these parts. All you need to do is fill out the table. You will not need your notebook today. You will not need your notebook. So fill this out. As you can see, you've probably tested this. If you've tested this, we did this together. Do you remember what the code did once you tested the LED? Type in the answer. If you come down here, you may have to go back and refer to your MyPLTW and go back to number 6 and download this hex code to your make code to come up with your own LED forever loop. And you're going to have a digital write block in there, and you're going to have a pause. So basically what you're trying to do is make the LED blink like 2 long blinks and then off, then a short blink. Long, long, pause, short. Something like that. When you create that code, then go in and screenshot it and put it in your worksheet. Then a lot of you did this the other day. You don't need to repeat it again. But what happened when you put all the code and all the wires together when you put it with the LED? Well, it started to blink. Now, the other day, some of you were testing your buzzer. Okay, all you need to do is read this part right here. Then I'm asking you what happened. Then I'm asking you to make your own song. So just read the instructions. I had somebody the other day in the 8th grade class that actually created the SpongeBob song, and they did a really good job. Took them most of the hour to do it. So once you download your song, you put it on your microbit, you insert the screenshot of all your code into this worksheet. Then go to Google Classroom, turn it in, bam, turn it in. Then you're going to click on part 2. And you're going to go and you're going to begin this part 2. This is all going to be due at the end of the hour. So it's all going to be a matter of how well you're working and how you can use your time wisely. So on part 2, make sure that you fill out the table. I'll put a standard servo and a continuous servo in each one of your in your kits. Make sure you follow the instructions. Some of you have already tested the servo. Just answer these 2 questions and then go in and answer 4 and follow the instructions. Come down here to 5. You're going to test a continuous servo. Make sure you get all your alligator clips and everything back in order. Answer the questions and then follow these steps. And then follow the steps onto number 7. And when you're finished with this, then you're going to turn in this worksheet to Google Classroom when you're done. Everyone should be productive today. There should be no downtime. If I find that Mrs. Weedle had to write down your name because you have done absolutely nothing in here today, then you've lost your daily points. I only have 2 more class periods with you next week. That's it. Some of you are skating on thin ice. Some of you are doing just fine and you do everything that I ask you to do. And you're going to have your outcome's going to be great at the end of this 9 weeks. Make sure you have all your work turned in. And I am hoping that I'll have a great report. And I will talk to all of you then on Monday. Have a good day today. Happy Friday.